Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so I've come to Karle's house because he's got something to show me.
Do I look suspicious?
Kinda, hang on, let me turn this thing around. You know his ute. We've done some work on it. Getting all this beast going. What was it, 550 horsepower?
530.
530. E85. The guards are missing off it because someone was supposed to buy the front end. It's got it going for 1 metre and now he's stripping it, as you do. It's got all the fuel systems. So the front end's off it, but they didn't turn up, bastards. So what he wants to show me, marketplace strikes again. What have we got here? I know what it is, but tell the viewers.
It's a 1970 Mark II Cortina.
Oh damn. But the good thing about it, it had a barrow in it already.
Someone started doing all the hard work for us, so it's making it easier for us to complete. We just got to tidy it up and hopefully fit all my motor in it.
It's hot as balls here today, we're sweating. See, it's got someone's put the mounts in it, cut the front out for the radiator, done the firewall and tunnel.
It's already got the pedal mounted in it as well.
Needs a few more little patches, but we'll clean up what they've done. Got the tunnel and everything in it already. You can see over there the bonnet's already cut for the rocker cover because it sticks out. And if this isn't patina, I don't know what is. Have a go at it. Are you painting it or no? Leaving it like this?
No, I'm just going to treat it for some rust treatment and we're going to satin clear it.
Yes. I like it a lot. Have a go at this thing. The grill's mint. Mad sun visor. Look at that. It came with all the interior pieces. And no rust in the floor, look at that. So yeah, there you have it. The plan, that, in there. We've done all the work and got this thing running for 1 metre, but as you do, stripping it again for bigger, or smaller and better things. And how much did you pay for this fine automobile?
$500.
Mate, how good is that?
It's in fairly good condition. Don't look it.
Oh, and
Rust-wise, it is pretty good.
He's got a photo when it did have a barrow in it, so...
We'll post that up with the video.
Yeah, I'll link in up here, wherever. Chris does it. We don't do this kind of thing very often. So yeah. Let's see how this turns out. We'll be back for more updates soon. Hey, it's Glenn here from the Campbelltown chapter of this circus. You see Chuck in the background there. We've got some updates on the Gassamorris. I have these babies to put on. Yeah. So here we are. I had this shell sitting in the backyard over here. You can see where it's dead. So it's not Chuck, she's over there. It's another shell. Stand back and have a look at this. Got to get the gas rake on it. So what we've done, we've cut the whole floor out of it. Cut the firewall out of it. Got the fiberglass front just sitting on there. Got the Hilux diff sitting in it. Got some 2-inch lowering blocks to get the back down to get the squat. Can't go much further because it's not far off the chassis rails. It's got the Sierra chassis underneath it. You can see here where we've extended the 6 inches. got some fish plates on the side to strengthen it up. Yeah, we're going to run the original steering wheel and gauges. Bit of a nostalgic look on her. Got to change the wheels because these ones aren't period correct, but I've got something for that. Pop the front off so we can have a look to see what's happening. Cut all the firewall out. It's going to have a flat firewall, flat floor. Got to adapt the Morris steering column to the Sierra column here somehow, but we'll figure it out. The master cylinder is going to be on the rail so I can have the original Morris pedal. I've kept a lot of the stuff. Got the Morris brake pedal, which I want to, it's got the clutch too, but that's going. So, got the Morris brake pedal here with the master cylinder on the floor. I've got the original Morris accelerator pedal we'll put on. Should be pretty cool. I've set the guards on to see how it looks. Someone before me's put a little flare in it. They don't usually have this, so I want to try and keep that. Just notch it out a bit for the tyres. Because it was a Sierra, it's got a front diff in it obviously, but it's got the leaf springs for the gasser. So we're going to cut the pumpkin out and just put a straight tube in, because you can keep the bearings and the steering. It's got disc brakes on the front, so we're going to keep them. You can get adapters to change the stud pattern to Ford stud pattern, so we'll do that. The body's mounted here, bolts on, and I've just done some center mounts just here, and it's got front mounts. I'll probably put a little bit of rubber or something in here so it doesn't squeak, but I'm sure she's going to have a lot of squeaks in it, but that's how it is. Just set the front on again. It's got to come down a little bit, it's not sitting flat. We'll have to make some sort of arrangement so we can flip it up. But yeah, got some progress going on. Look at that. And I do have the doors. The doors are stashed away in here with some other crap. And of course the cost of living crisis, I think. We're going to take all this out and put it in there. Sorry Chuck, your time will come again.